track. All right, let's just dive right into Section 1, Meet Genius Mastering Pro. Latency mastering workstation, you can run it right in your browser or as a standalone offline app from.
Let's move on to Section 2, the 7-stage signal chain, to see how this actually works in practice.
So, the journey starts right here at Stage 1 with the input trim. Now this is absolutely crucial. Ideally, you want it sitting nice and comfortable between -6 and -3 decibels true peak, maybe up to 110 or 125. But the true game changer here is the mono maker. If you engage this right around 100 to 120 Hz, it forces all of your sub-bass into. Okay, almost at the finish line. Stage 6 is the multi-mode psychoacoustic enhancer. Genius Mastering Pro actually includes a dedicated bulk mastering engine where you can load up an entire. And then you literally just hit apply to all. That's it. The engine automatically renders -1.0 decibels. Now why -1? Well, because streaming platforms convert